It's time to apply another set of holiday nails, and I actually saved my favorite ones for last. Today's set is the Cozy Night, and I absolutely love this set. I love the little reindeer, and I love the little French manicure with the candy canes, and the red glitter is amazing. So I am super excited to get this set on, so let's get started. As you can see, I have my nails all laid out, so let's go ahead and get started. And these nails do have the adhesive on them, but I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of nail glue just to maximize them staying on even longer. I just think this reindeer is absolutely the cutest thing you've ever seen. Comment down below if you agree. And I'm really excited that I have some of the plain red glitter left over that fits some other nails that I can maybe put on with, who knows, maybe some black nails. And comment down below if you did your nails for the holiday season and what you used. I would love to know. I absolutely love the way they turned out.